Namaste everyone, this is Imanshu and welcome to my class again. Today we're going to do Chaturanga. If you're also not able to do Chaturanga, so this video is really useful for you. Let's start it. Can you do Chaturanga? Hey, I will try. Try by yourself. I'm going to get push first, step the toes in. Try. Leg up, inhale, move with the Chaturanga. Get on hold, right? Away. Like this, if you're not able to move, come back, come to your knees. Okay. So we will need one strap, and we will open the strap on the shoulder width above. Okay, adjust the handle, and make sure the knot of the wire should be outside, no, not touching on your body, but the wire can hurt you. Now come to the black position. Knee together, at the nose in, legs straight, but you can legs together. Shift your body weight on the front. Now slowly back it and loose. Control your body, shift your body weight on the front. Okay, tighten the thighs. Look forward. So back will support you over on the chaturanga. Stay there for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop the knee down. Spread the back over again. Come the cat position. Alright, so this is the way you will practice at home and you can reach on chaturanga. Let's try it one more time. Adjust the hands. The easier way. First from the cat position, shift the body weight on the front. First, look at the front. Exhale, and then keep your elbow and a wrist in the same line. Move forward. Back straight. Now tap the toes in. Stomach in. Breathe. Hip up and in. 1. Try. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your knee now. Inhale, lift the body up. Exhale, sit on your knees. So try this way, then you can reach on chaturanga. More interesting to you, please